Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best crystal assortment is probably one of the most fascinating and diverse collections you can explore. Whether you're a seasoned crystal enthusiast or just starting your journey, the world of crystal assortments offers a mesmerizing array of colors, shapes, and energies. From the soothing vibes of amethyst to the grounding power of obsidian, each crystal holds unique properties and potential benefits. Join me as we delve into the captivating realm of crystal assortments, uncovering their beauty and purpose. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Collection Box for Kids. This is a perfect standalone kit or expansion to any rock collection. It includes over 300 genuine rock, mineral, and crystal specimens from around the world. Crack open 2 premium geodes to reveal dazzling crystal interiors. It's an unforgettable hands-on geology experience for kids. Learn to recognize amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and more with the help of the full-color learning guide and included magnifying glass. This will help you identify the different rocks. This rock collection includes a variety of rocks such as amethyst, aventurine, and tiger's eye. It offers a diverse range of specimens for exploration. Safely store your collection in the included storage bag and use the magnifying glass to examine your favorite specimens up close. This allows you to share and display your collection with others. Blue Marble, winner of the Toy Association's prestigious Toy of the Year award, proudly develops products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a U.S. support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This kit offers a massive collection of rocks and crystals, perfect for any budding geologist. It includes geodes to crack open, providing a hands-on experience. If you are looking for a fun and educational gift for kids, this is a great choice. What people say. This set includes a diverse collection of over 300 gemstones, crystals, and fossils, providing a hands-on learning experience. The included specimens are genuine and well-preserved, offering a real-world connection to Earth's history. Comes with so many different stones and a book that teaches you about the different stones and figure out what each one is. Number 4. SUNYIK 9 Mini Gemstone Bottles. These mini gemstone bottles are perfect for various uses. They are great for witchcraft supplies, crafts, or simply as a unique gift. Each bottle contains chip crystals, ideal for healing and Reiki practices. The size of each bottle is about 22 mm in width and 30 mm in height. You'll receive a set of 9 bottles, each with a different stone. The stones are selected randomly from a variety of options. Use these stones for spell jars, jewelry making, or collecting. They are also ideal for display or as a study aid. Please note that all stones have been artificially color enhanced. This enhances their appearance and makes them even more beautiful. What we like. These mini gemstone bottles are perfect for crafts and spell jars. They offer a variety of stones, making them versatile for different projects. If you like crafting or are into Wicca, this set is a great addition to your collection. What people say. These were great. You can always reuse the mini jars for mini potions if you are using the stones for those kinds of practices. The bottles are small but seem to be decently filled. All of the jars had crystals in them. I'm not a crystal expert or anything, but they seem legit. Number 3. Chakra Stones Set of 7+1. Introducing the Chakra Stones Set. This set includes 7 chakra crystals to balance all 7 chakras, plus an extra stone. It comes with a beautiful purple pouch for storage. These stones are carefully selected and polished to a high shine. The polished surface makes them beautiful to look at and pleasant to touch. They are perfect for meditation or as worry stones. These healing stones are known for their powerful energy. They serve as protection crystals and are believed to help ward off negative energy. They also promote physical and emotional healing. These chakra crystals are great for personal use, Reiki healing, yoga, meditation, or as decor. They can help create a peaceful and positive environment. Use them to enhance your well-being. Our chakra stones are made naturally, without any artificial coloring. This ensures their authenticity and natural power. Use these positive energy crystals to enhance your spiritual growth. What we like. This set focuses on chakra balancing with 7 carefully selected and polished stones. It's perfect for meditation, Reiki, or simply as a decorative piece. If you are looking to enhance your well-being and spiritual growth, it's a great choice. What people say. They are a nice size, polished and are genuine, as you can see the minor imperfections that genuine crystals have. The crystals were well packaged and delivered ahead of schedule. Great value considering how much a single worry stone can cost. Perfect for chakra balancing, and all genuine stones. Number 2. Madagascar Stones Mix, Natural Raw Crystal Stones. These stones are a mixed collection of natural, raw crystals from Madagascar. They are perfect for anyone interested in energy work, decoration, or jewelry making. Each stone is unique and full of potential. You'll receive a bulk of these mixed stones, approximately 1 pound in weight. The sizes range from 1 to 2 inches, with an average size of about 1.25 inches. The quantity of stones varies based on their individual size and weight. The images show the stones but to reveal their true colors and clarity. This helps to showcase the beauty and potential held within each piece. The stones are unpolished, maintaining their natural, rough texture. These stones can be used in various ways, from energy work and chakra balancing to Reiki practices. They are also great for tumbling, decoration, and jewelry making. It's a perfect gift for both beginners and crystal collectors. Whether you're starting your crystal journey or expanding your collection, these stones are a great choice. They are a beautiful and versatile addition to any collection. They are perfect for gifting to someone special. What we like. This product provides a bulk of rough stones, perfect for tumbling, decoration, or jewelry making. It offers a variety of sizes and types. If you are a beginner or a collector, it's a perfect gift. What people say. Great assortment, large pieces. Will work great in our rock tumbler. Shipping was quick and packaging was good. Some really pretty clear quartz chunks. Just like I wanted. Exactly as described. Very fast international postage. Good variety of amethyst in different shades from light to dark. Number 1. Beverly Oaks Chakra Healing Crystal Kit. These crystals come pre-charged and cleansed. This ensures they are clear of any pre-existing energy. You can start fresh with these new crystals. This kit offers a fantastic assortment of crystals. It allows you to experience a wide range of gemstone healing. Experiment with different healing properties to develop your own ritual. Give someone the chance to discover the power of Earth's crystals. This set is great for both beginners and experienced users. This set is great for meditation, rituals, and energy work. The possibilities are endless. They also make phenomenal home decor. We want you to be happy with your purchase. If you are not satisfied, we will provide a hassle-free refund. What we like. This set comes with energy-infused stones, pre-charged and cleansed. It offers a fantastic assortment of crystals for various practices. If you are looking for a multipurpose set for meditation, Reiki, or home decor, it is the perfect choice. What people say. I received 7 beautiful raw chunks and 7 tumbled stones. The raw green aventurine, amethyst and orange calcite are even more beautiful in person. Photos do them no justice. Inside the package is a cute cardboard box and inside has a sealed clear plastic bag where the big stones are in, a black velvet bag with small stones inside a sealed clear bag, 2 cards that has information regarding each of the stones and instructions. No broken pieces at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.